Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your IP address on Android phone. If you want to hide your IP address on your Android phone, here's how to do it in seconds with NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Your IP address reveals your location and can be tracked by websites. NordVPN hides it by routing your connection through a secure server, keeping your real IP private. So step 1, download and open the NordVPN app from Google Play. Step 2, log in with your account. Step 3, tap Quick Connect to hide your IP instantly or choose any country from the map to use that server's IP. So step 4, once connected, your real IP is hidden. You can check it by visiting any IP lookup site. For even more protection, enable NordVPN's feature that block ads, trackers, and harmful sites. You can also save your favorite service for faster access. Get NordVPN using our link in the description. Since we're partners, you will get an exclusive discount when you sign up. The link is always in the description. Hide your IP, stay private, start today with NordVPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.